How to use Binance future for leverage trading. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to use the Binance future for leverage trading. Now the leverage in Binance future trading allows you to borrow funds from Binance to increase your trading position. Now this means that you can control a large position with a smaller amount of capital, meaning that this can also amplify your profit if the market moves in your favor, but it can also amplify your loss at the same time. So in order to do this procedure, you have to first of all go and log in into your account and make sure that your account is verified. Now, placing a leverage trading on Binance is similar to placing a regular trade. To place a leverage trading, you just have to select the trading pair you want to trade with. Let's go with BNB, and then you could go ahead and click on the buy button. Next, you can enter the amount or exact amount that you want to trade and select the leverage you want to use. Once you've selected your leverage, you'll see a margin required to open the position, and likewise you've successfully used the Binance future for leverage trading. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.